very excited to finally show you our latest addition to the coarse sanding range of Kovax, Garuda. Today I will show you how to remove old layers of paint fast, with power, with Garuda 120. When repairing car parts, before applying putty, proper surface preparation is essential. This means removing old layers of coatings and creating an ideal surface for adhesion. For this task, Garuda 120 is the perfect solution. It quickly and efficiently removes old layers of paint. Let the abrasive do the work. There's no need to apply too much pressure. Garuda's grain structure gives you the ultimate cutting power and fast results. If you are dealing with thick or tough old coatings, you can also use Garuda AT. It easily handles heavy-duty removal and gives you even more power without slowing down your process. Here is the result. An even surface, quick and perfectly prepared for putty application. The solution for tough removal is here.